Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Quantas Capital, a new investment company, has been officially launched. The company is led by former banker Dr. Adrian Stokes, who says Quantas is being positioned to target institutional and credit investors. At the launch event Wednesday evening, Dr. Stokes shared the plans for the new company.
Our alternative asset management solutions create opportunities for businesses to be in touch with capital. Flexible capital, but as I indicated before, not just flexible capital, but capital that can be trusted.
He says the Quantas solutions will come under three broad headings: structured products, real asset solutions, and strategic opportunities. The company launched its first product in October 2022, and Dr. Stokes says Quantas will be coming with more products soon as it looks to expand in the region. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the establishment of Quantas and similar companies is a good sign for the local economy.
It's a signal of increasing complexity in the economy. And the more financial intermediation you get, firms like Quantas coming into the marketplace, the greater will be the allocative efficiency in your economy. Capital, which is stuck somewhere in an underperforming or underutilized asset, or in an asset class where it is just not doing what it could do, now gets an opportunity to be unlocked.
To one of our neighbors now, the World Bank has approved $100 million in financing for Barbados. The Barbados Green and Resilient Recovery Development Policy Loan is to assist the island in achieving a low-carbon economy. Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, says the loan will also advance the island's shift to greener solutions, opening opportunities for investments and jobs in the green and blue economy. The World Bank says the funds will also be used to establish an environmental sustainability fund, enact a new water reuse law, and develop a climate change and agriculture policy to reduce climate vulnerability. Last year, the World Bank Group provided over $26 billion in climate investments to developing countries. The bank says it is on track to exceed that sum in the current fiscal year. And back home, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.34. $114.91 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $187.02 for the pound, while it's costing an average $167.94 for the euro. The JSE index rose by 2,169 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 73 points. Leading the advances were ISP Finance Services, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and General Accident Insurance Jamaica. The decliners included JMB Group 7% VR cumulative redeemable preference shares, T-Tech, Caribbean Cream, JMB Group 7.35% preference shares, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited.